afternoon. Hey everybody, I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys. We have made it to 5,000 subscribers. Like, that's huge for me. Like, 5,000 is quite a bit, and we are not done yet. We are going to continue to grow, continue to move. I'm going to continue to bring the content. Like, I started doing this YouTube channel not knowing where everything was going to go, how things were going to, progress, or how slow. And this is not a race. By no means at all is it a race. It's just accomplishments for myself, and I get to accomplish them with you guys. So without you all, I don't have a channel, and I don't have anybody to share my content with. So I am definitely grateful for everything that you guys have tuned in to watch, all the criticism that comes with it, all the comments that people leave, whether good or bad. Believe me, I read them all. I take it, and it can be useless information. It don't have to be useless, however it be. But I read all my comments, and I try to comment. I try to respond to everybody that leave a comment. For those that are here genuinely, I am forever grateful. I am, just blown away by the love that I continue to get throughout this YouTube world. If you guys can just continue to share my videos, continue to comment, and make sure you guys are liking the videos. If you're liking, pushing that thumbs up video up there, and hitting the leaving the comments below, and then clicking on the thumbs up to like the video, that really helps me out a lot as well, and I am grateful for it. Like I said, I had no idea how it was going to be when I first started. I'm just, bringing you guys along with my journey. And I know it seems like I've been bringing quite a bit bike content. I've been bike heavy, which my channel, I guess, will be, mainly about my bike. But I do other things. Like, I have blogged when I have went on my vacations, when I've traveled. I just didn't post a video, but I do have those videos. So I'm thinking about, I might, share those. I haven't really put it out there, but I do have footage where I've recorded and vlogged while we've been on vacation. So I have other footage that I've recorded. I just haven't uploaded it or even edited it for the most part. If you guys would like to see that footage, though, let me know. Drop your, in the comments below. Let me know if y'all interested in seeing it, or if y'all interested in me doing something else. Because, like I said, I do other things besides ride my bike, and I am gonna bring that content to the channel. I just haven't gotten around really to it. Y'all know I'm very family oriented. I have my family, so they're gonna appear on the channel. I have people that I hang with on a constant basis. You'll see them as well. But I'm here for you guys, and I'm gonna bring the content that you guys want to see. Just let me know, if you like it, or you're like, nah, tip, I don't want to see that. However it may be, just let me know. I'm here for it all. And like I said, even the negative comments that come along with it, I read those too. Yes, I'm not taking any of that to heart at all, because I understand that everything I do is not for everybody, and I'm completely okay with that. But something that I do, somebody appreciates it and they like it, and I am gonna continue to be myself. I'm a woman that likes to dress up. Like, I'm sure if y'all see my Instagram, you can tell. I love to throw my heels on. I love to get cute. I love to dress up. Yes, that's just part of me being a woman. That's just who I am. Guys, like I said, 5,000 subscribers is huge for a person that's just starting. Like I said, when I started this journey, I never imagined. I'm gonna take that back. I did imagine, growing, but just the time frame. There's no time frame on it, and like, we've knocked down 5,000. We're gonna keep pushing to this next milestone. I promise you. Like, I have things that I'm working on to give to you guys when I do meet you all. For some that I've already met, I'm sorry I didn't have it yet, but I'm sure I will meet you guys again. So there's things that I am brainstorming to pass out. Also, like, by me doing this journey, just with my bike alone, I've had so many people to tell me I've inspired them to get back on their bike and ride, or just to start and ride. And it's been men and women, and I love that. Like, I love when I can be somebody's inspiration to get back on something, or just to start something. Also, I get people that ask me, hey, where'd you get your outfit from? I love your outfit. I love that too. Like, I don't mind passing out information that I have. If it's going to be useful, then I want you guys to have it as well. So, like I said, I love to dress up. So you'll see me put on clothes and put on my cute shoes, sandals, heels. Yes, I understand sometimes when I ride my bike, I don't have all the proper gear on, the safety gear. But I ride to what I'm comfortable with. Yes, I don't take that as a whole shot. I know everybody's there. They want you to be safe, and I understand it, and I appreciate it. I thank you for that. I understand the risks that come along with certain things that I do, but me being human, me being like doing what I do, I'm going to do it the way I want to do it. And like I said, there's no point intended to you guys if you see me doing that as such. I do appreciate you guys for all of the comments that you leave me when you tell me, oh, we want to see you do this, or thank you for this, and those that, you know, come to my rescue for certain things. Thank you, guys. I love it all. And like I said, we're going to keep pushing, we're going to keep moving, and we're going to keep having a good time. And guys, just so you know, y'all know, I do have to make my video with the upgrades that I've done so far to EJ. So let's walk over to him real quick. I'm not going to do it just yet, but, you know, I've done several things to him. It's my little cap I wore underneath my helmet yesterday. But I've done several things to him that I know I need to, like, let you guys know kind of what I've done. And I've made it to fit me. Customized it to myself. I know I have things that some people may not like or disagree with or they don't like. But that's all in, like, when you make something your own. So this is what I like. And I hope you guys enjoy it and like it too. Like I said, with me being a shorter rider, I had to, like, make some adjustments with my bars and, of course, things like that. But I will definitely let you guys get a more in-depth of everything I've done. And I still have things that I know I'm going to do to it. I just have still getting around to doing things. But that comes with having a Harley. You always find something you want to do to the bike. So that's something I'm definitely going to be dropping. I don't exactly, maybe I'll have it next week or so. But that video will be coming. So keep checking for that, though. That is one thing you guys will see. I'm going to continue to do this, continue to be here for you guys. And we're going to keep having fun over here at Tip Squad. Because I don't have a squad without y'all. And because y'all are here with me, y'all are Tip Squad. And I love y'all. And there is nobody else that I'd rather be partying with than y'all. So I love you guys. Like I always say, stay up, be blessed. And I'll catch you later.